Hi, I'm HEALYMEANS. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a vlog in the car video. Ladies and gentlemen, it is Friday, February the 2nd in the late afternoon, early evening. I got this visor thing right here, y'all, to try to block the sun because y'all know how the sun be plotting against me. And I am fresh from physical therapy. If y'all remember last Friday, I was saying how I was going to come back in 1 week instead of 2. I did that. We did a couple different therapy treatments today, and I have new K-tape. So this one is softer, and it's softer. It is not as tight. It doesn't have as much of a hold, and the adhesive is a little bit lighter. Because what was happening with the blue K-tape, I think my skin was starting to have a reaction to it. And even though I didn't have it in a few weeks, even having it last week, it wasn't working out. Like, I didn't get a rash or nothing like that. It wasn't working out. So this time the physical therapist tried this different tape, and we're going to see how that works. Y'all, so I left physical therapy. I was on my way home, but just like yesterday, no, that was Wednesday when I told y'all I went the whole day and I didn't eat nothing. Well, guess what? Today I went the whole day and I ain't eat nothing. I think I had a cup of coffee this morning, but I didn't eat anything, y'all. I'm hungry. And I was like, let me go ahead and go to Starbucks. Knowing I shouldn't be going, y'all, but I went. And when I opened the app, I had a notification, you know, buy a bakery item, get so many extra stars. So that's what I did. I got a blueberry muffin. Now, y'all, I've been trying to cut back on sweets, white flour, stuff like that, y'all. You know, I'm trying. I'm at least thinking about it. I'm mentally putting forth the effort, y'all. The actual doing it is gonna come, y'all, but not right now. Especially when I'm hungry and I ain't ate all day and I wanted something quick. So I got a matcha green tea frappuccino, y'all. So matcha green tea, you know, matcha green tea. Trying to put a little nutrition in with it. But I got a blueberry muffin. And I don't know if y'all ever been to Starbucks. If you ever got a blueberry muffin. And you ever saw what it was about. Y'all, look at this little bitty muffin. Look at this. Look at this little bitty muffin. Y'all know these blueberry muffins used to be the size. The muffin top used to be the whole size of your palm. Y'all, look at this. This little bitty thing. I know it's a hint for me not to be eating all of this, so I guess I should be thankful. But the price ain't went down. Matter of fact, I think the price went up. So, now look, but I ain't never said I wasn't going to eat it, though. So, oh, Lord, you close. You close. I'm at a supercharger station, and this person driving the Model 3, and they swung way too wide. Bruh. Please don't hit my car. They could have just let the car back into the spot for them, but people who drive like that, just let the car do it. Yesterday morning, all day yesterday, on and off, we got rain and like thunder showers all day, all throughout the night, y'all. It rained. I haven't gone out to my garden. I'm sorry, y'all. That was a blueberry. I haven't gone out to my garden this morning because I'm scared to look. I'm scared to look. And just when I was about to go out this morning, it started storming raining. I was in Kay Renee's garden, her live stream. Oh, y'all, and I won a giveaway. So I'll tell you about that when I receive it. But I was just getting ready to get up to go outside to check on the garden. And I mean, it started pouring down, storming raining. Well, and by the time the rain stopped, it was time for me to get up and get ready to go to physical therapy. Now the sun is shining. I mean, it is beautiful out here. You wouldn't never think that a drop of rain fell. And in about an hour and a half, it's going to start raining again. It's supposed to rain on and off all through the weekend, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and maybe even a little bit of Thursday. That's too much rain too soon or too consecutively. I think all the stuff I had planted in Aunt Jerry's garden, because it was already struggling to come up, because number one, it was colder. It was cooler nights. And then it just finished raining last week. And it had rained, I think maybe like half a day, like a week before that or something. So it's too much water. It's too much rain. This is the same thing that happened to us last year, y'all. The same thing that happened to us last year. And it's like deja vu. Now, I'm hoping that it doesn't mean that the garden season will be delayed like it was last year. I'm really trying to grow maximum amount of food. I have 4 of my 20-inch pots that I have clear. I have it set up and put on a patio. I want to put, I know I want to get 2 blueberry bushes. And I think I want to get 2 other kind of trees. Or I might use 1 pot for flowers. Just sprinkle a whole bunch of the different flower seeds I have. And just have a pot of flowers. Maybe I'll put, I don't know. Maybe I'll put potatoes. So instead of replanting the potatoes in that 45-gallon grow bag, maybe I could do it in that 20-inch pot. Y'all know I still have not harvested them Japanese sweet potatoes. I know them things probably just, and then all of the rain. I was supposed to get them out before the rain. Okay, I didn't. So if they're not re-rotted and probably re-sprouting, because they still green, y'all. The leaves, I can't think of the word, y'all. They never died. They never died down. They never died back. They didn't give any indication that they was ready. But y'all, the slips. I first planted 2 huge Japanese sweet potatoes. September 2022. September 2022. For some reason, I thought that I was going to get potatoes out of that. I didn't. I got slips. So in January of 2023, I replanted the slips in that 45-gallon grow bag. It is February 2024, and I still have not taken them potatoes out of that bag. Y'all gonna have to hold me accountable, like for real, for real. Next week, after this rain pass, y'all. After the rain pass, for real. For real, because it's taking up, that 45-gallon grow bag is too big. It's taking up too much space on my pallet. I probably can fit maybe 3 of my 5-gallon buckets in the space of where the 45-gallon grow bag is. So I have to dump that grow bag, whether the potatoes are good or not, whatever the situation is. If it look like I don't have any potatoes, but I still have all of those slips, I'll put as many as I can in one of the 20-inch pots. That way I can move that grow bag off of the pallet. I can put 3 5-gallon buckets there, and then I could grow whatever. I'm interested to see how the covers that we made some PVC pipe covers. And all it is a PVC pipe frame with fittings, and then it's tulle netting around it. We only put up 1 on one of the miniature raised beds. I want to see how it has held up, how it is holding up, how it's going to continue to hold up to the rain, to the wind, etc. Maybe birds perching on it or whatever. I want to see how it's going to hold up. Then I can decide if I need to make any adjustments, and then we'll finish the rest. So each of the 6 raised beds will have a PVC cover, And then we also made one for Aunt Jerry's raised bed. The whole purpose of me doing that is to get the moths and the butterflies and every other bug that lay their eggs, or creepy crawlies that try to eat the food, to keep them away. But really what I want to do is just protect the plants, maybe like the first 4 to 6 weeks, or the first 2 months, or whatever the period is before they flower and they need to be pollinated. I want to protect the plants for that long. And then I can always lift off the tool hood, let them get pollinated. I might have to shoo away some butterflies and moths and other bugs, but I just want the plants to have a fighting chance. I don't want them to get tore up and ate up as soon as they spring up and germinate up out the ground. Y'all, the hair, I had to wash my hair. I washed my hair this morning. I didn't want to do too much because I knew it was going to be raining back and forth. So I used the Camille Rose Clean Rinse, the clarifying shampoo. I used the Silicone Bamboo Mix Deep Treatment, and I just did all of this in the shower. And then I used the Miche Leave-In and the Miche Twisting Butter or Twisting Cream. Yeah, I used that. And then I thought I was going to be slick, y'all. And I put some of the Fruit of the Earth aloe vera gel. Y'all, why it started curdling up? You might not be able to see it. I hope you didn't see it. I hope it eventually just dissolved in. But it started curdling up. I was like, oh no. Oh no. But I didn't have time to rinse it out, so I just combed it through. And then I used the LA Looks for my edges. So not anything too fancy. My hair got messed up because I had an appointment before I went to physical therapy, and I had to lay back in a chair. So it kind of messed up my hair. But it's just a bun. It's just a bun. That's all, nothing fancy. It's still wet. But I didn't want to do nothing fancy to my hair because of the weather, even though it's absolutely beautiful out here right now. Of course it'd be absolutely beautiful right now. But it's going to be raining soon, and I mean, I'm not going to be sitting under the hair dryer or nothing like that. I did get a recommendation to try Obia Naturals products. I did see that recommendation as the first wash day of 2024 where I use unopened products in my collection. Now, I found that comment, and I replied to the person, and I said, okay, well, which products? Because I got a few different ways I could go. I think for Obia Naturals, all I have is soap, shampoo bars. I don't think I have a bottled or jar. I don't have a liquid shampoo. I think all I have is shampoo bars, and I really do not want to use a shampoo bar. But what I'm probably going to do is just cut a little piece off. I'll cut a little piece off for the shampoo bar. I know I have, I think, 2 different deep conditioners, and I have some leave-ins and maybe 2 stylers, at least 2 stylers. So I can't remember who it is right offhand, but if you see this video before I do the wash day, which I'm pretty sure you're going to see it before I do the wash day, let me know which products you want me to use. I have some stuff with the yellow label, some stuff with the green label, and some stuff with like a magenta label, and then the shampoo bars. So if I showed you, or if you could see it in that video or another stash video where I show the Obia Naturals products I have, let me know which products you want me to use. And if I hear something back, or if I read the comment before I do the wash day, I'll pick the products that you said. If not, then I'll just go through and pick 4 products to make a wash day. Y'all, I'm still excited and interested in using something new. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all, with the time of year, with the winter coolness, I know it doesn't get cold. It doesn't snow as compared to other places, y'all. But winter is relative to where you are. And anything below 70 degrees is freezing to me. I want to do a wash day with new products, of course. I just haven't been as motivated due to the weather. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully you understand. The products will be opened, y'all, and the products will be used. Believe that and trust that. I just haven't been doing a lot of stuff with my hair, and I don't want to force a wash day or force, I don't want to force a wash day just to get a hair video out there. I don't want to do that because I don't think it'll be good for me. It's not going to be good for my hair, and I'm not going to be giving the best to the jury. And you know I want to give y'all the best. I got to get a jury the best. Y'all might convict me or something, so you know. I'm trying to get, try to be in good graces with the jury and with the judge. So, yeah, but hair videos are going to come out, and when they start coming, they probably going to be like a lot in a row or something. What I'm probably going to do is divide up the wash day until I really get more active into regularly washing my hair and doing wash days. I'm trying to do less though, y'all. For 2024, I'm trying to, less is more in a way. I'm trying to do that. I think for real, I want to focus on hair growth and length retention. I think I told y'all this a couple times before, but I do trim and cut my hair in between, videos and stuff like that. I don't say anything because it's not a professional cut. It's not something I really want to record. Unlike what I did, y'all, what that was, July of last year or sometime last year, where I just had my hand twisted and I cut like 4 to 6 inches off of some spots of my hair, and I don't recommend anybody do that. You do what's best for your hair. I ain't really worried about it because I know my hair gonna grow back, but that just go to show you how you can't put no scissors in my hand, y'all. Don't put scissors in my hand. Don't do it. My hair is not even, but I mean, I'm not worrying about it. I mean, who gonna see? I don't wear my hair straight, like talking about it, or even enough to where it would matter that my hair was absolutely straight. Y'all, why is everybody coming right by me to charge their car? They have all kind of open spots on both sides, but everybody come and park right next to me. They won't be in the video, y'all. I ain't about to let them. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna fix something to eat. I cooked some spaghetti yesterday. Or was it the day before yesterday? I don't know. But I cooked some. And it's good. It's real good. So I want to get some more. They swing their door wide open. Y'all ever been parked like right next to somebody? And the people, you know how you can open your door like just a little bit where you can't get out? You open it kind of like that second turn, and it's enough for you to get out. And then if you open it more, it's like swinging the door all the way open. Why, when people park right next to another car, do they swing the door all the way wide open? Why do they do it, y'all? Why do they do it? I know the video was all over the place. I got distracted because I was making sure that people didn't slam into my car trying to back into the spot. And then I was making sure that they didn't hit my car swinging their door open. And it just threw my focus off. But that's all. Today is Friday, y'all. I call it Payday Friday because it is Friday the 2nd. So Payday Friday. Y'all enjoy your weekend. Please be safe if you still kind of like in the throes and the throngs of any kind of weather systems or storms, whether it be rain, snow, sleet, mudslides, whatever. Please be careful. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, share this video, share my playlist, and share my channel with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.